Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your Google slide presentation as a Microsoft PowerPoint .pptx file format. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, select Download, and then select Microsoft PowerPoint .pptx. Go ahead and select that and then just give it a moment to begin downloading, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.